Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python on Windows 10 or 8, 8.1 and above. So simply go ahead and launch your preferred browser, go to python.org, and then from here you can download Python 3.12.1 by going to python.org and then put your cursor on downloads and then click down Windows tab here. Let me just enlarge it. So this stable release that you see here are available for 32-bit and 64-bit. If you are looking for earlier releases, you can simply scroll down and choose the right one for your system type. This is 64-bit architecture, so I'll download this Windows installer 64-bit, and you can see this is almost downloaded. So simply go ahead and locate the download and run the Python installer by double clicking on it, and then the only thing you have to do is basically check this box, add python.exe to the path, and then click install now. So do not forget this one. I use admin privileges when installing python.exe. You can check it or uncheck it. And then click on install now. This shouldn't take long time. This installs idle Python and a few packages, very common packages. Once it is installed, you can go ahead and check the Python version installed on your system by launching command prompt or PowerShell or Git Bash if you have. This is PowerShell 7. You can see, or you can simply type cmd and run it. So this is command prompt. This Python installer is installing documentation for 64 bits. You can see now you can go and Python, but you won't find it because it is not installed yet. So let me go ahead and wait for this to complete. This is also installing pip, which is Python package manager, and you can see pip bootstrap 64-bit. So I'll leave this link in the description for you guys. Now the installation process has been actually accelerated. So earlier it used to take a bit longer. Still it is taking longer on my system. I don't know why. You can also install Python from Microsoft's Windows Store. So you can see setup was successful. You can go ahead and close it and then launch your cmd. Now you can check Python -v, and that means it is already installed. Python uppercase V, and that shows you 3.12.1. You can also check pip, so pip space hyphen uppercase V, and this is what you have, pip. You can also go ahead and check your idle. So this is Python idle, I've just launched it, and this is going to take a bit longer. And now you can write the print command. You see, now you have lots of options. You can simply press enter, and this shows you what is the output of this. So this is idle. You can also go ahead and write your Python program. So let's see. I'm going to create a file on the desktop, which is going to be on the desktop. And I'm going to say hello.py, and now you can simply say print, and print is a function. You can simply say hello. I can launch my inbuilt terminal here in this Sublime Text. And this is on my desktop, so I'll go back to desktop. This is where it is, so I can say Python hello dot py, and you can see it is working. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I'll keep creating more videos about Python and Python packages, Python frameworks. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.